transformed into a full bed if we have less passengers and you have any long flight. So myself and my team would be taking care of you as in bringing you back to Accra. Enjoy your flight, and we're really glad that you are here, and we appreciate your time as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ronnie, what for no kind out here? What's that? Bonatofa.
Oh, sir.
Welcome aboard. My name is Noah, I'll be the captain. Flying with Senior First Officer Eniko, and Kate will be taking care of you as well. So we're expecting about a 26-minute flight to Accra, flying at 13,000 feet. It's a short flight, so we're not going up that high. Should be relatively smooth, maybe a few bumps, then the climb out as it's middle of the afternoon, so it gets pretty hot climbing out. And otherwise, it should be a nice smooth flight. So again, welcome on board and have a good time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What goes up?
You want to have some Ghana chocolates?
Yes.
Can I have fun?
Thank you.
You want Fanta?
I'm intrigued by this story.
I'm good. You know what I want?
I do have cognac and I do have champagne.
Cognac.
Yeah, Junior, all I did was speak, that's all.
You got a very clever son.
Oh, thank you. That's the problem we have.
That's the problem.
Oh, thank you. All right, boy. I'll see you later then. Looks like you found a new profession. Bye-bye. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
How was he? Was he all right?
What do you have to say?
McDan,
Uh-huh.
don't private jet.
Uh-huh.
Slow it down.
Uh-huh.
He landed it down.
Uh-huh.
He's the best player in the nation.
Oh wow.
I swear. This no noise.
Yeah.
Abundance supported the foolish form of the state. Swear, McDan private jet. He landed slowly. He get up slowly. He landed fine. Big play. All the mechanics. Everybody say Banku.
Banku.